Hello everyone. Today we're talking about fractions on number lines. So how would we label kind of a fraction on the number line here? So you can see this number line is drawn from 0 to 1. So it goes only from 0 here up to 1. And that's it, right? That's our whole number line there. So what we're doing today is labeling what A, B, C, and D would equal. So first thing we need to do is figure out how many pieces is our fraction split into. So if we look, right, we see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. That tells me the denominator for all my fractions is going to be 5. Okay, so I can start by writing that in. So my denominator for each fraction is going to be 5 because they're all on those fifth lines, right? So there's our whole, right, is 1, and it's split into 5 pieces, which makes it fifths. So if we look at each of them, we just count where we're at, right? So if we look at point A, it's our red dot right here. So we are at 1, 2 fifths. So A is going to be 2 fifths. B's way over here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 fifths. So 4 fifths. B, good to go. C, if we count up, right? 1, 2, 3 fifths. And D is just 1 fifth. So basically, right, we're kind of looking at how did we split up our fraction, and then we can go from there. So we first have to figure out where each piece of our fraction is going to go.